And that's when I realized that dropping out of Harvard Law School to join the American Chicken Bunker team was the right career decision for me. To be with the ones I truly loved. Dead, partially thawed, uncooked chicken carcasses. Oh, why are you so tense, baby? Why don't you have a little drink? It'll loosen you up. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Daddy didn't mean to hurt you. What's that? You want me to kiss you? Well, all right. No, wait. Are you sure you want to do this? I mean, we're still gonna have to work together afterwards and all, and I don't want things to be weird. Well, all right, but I do insist on safety. Oh. Yeah, that is some grade A white meat. Oh, don't worry, Carl Jr. ain't adverse to taking the back door. Oh. Ooh. Oh, you want to talk dirty? Oh, I ain't adverse to hearing what's on your dirty, filthy little slut chicken mind. Yeah. Oh. Easy with the teeth. Easy with the teeth. I was gonna pull out. It just felt so good.
Exhausted, but the place sparkles again.